Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the VPS meets requirements and that you have admin credentials. Enable remote desktop in the server settings, then open port 3389 at the VPS firewall and provider console. Once done, note the server IP or DNS name and verify SSH access for emergency fixes. Make sure the account has a strong password and two-factor if available. This gets you from 0 to a reachable RDP endpoint quickly so you can connect securely. Next, launch your RDP client and input the VPS IP, username, and password. You'll see options for display and local resource redirection. Configure them to suit performance needs. If you're on a public network, tunnel RDP over SSH or connect through your VPN to prevent exposing port 3389. Once connected, install required software and run Windows Update. Make sure to lock the screen session and disable auto login. These steps balance usability with protection while you provision the VPS for daily tasks. To finish, harden the VPS by enforcing strong passwords, changing the RDP port, and tightening firewall rules. Set regular snapshots and automatic updates for quick recovery. Make sure remote users have least privilege accounts and enable network-level authentication. If you can't connect, first test reachability with Telnet or PowerShell testnet connection to port 3389. Then verify the RDP service is running and firewall rules at the OS and provider level. If issues persist, reboot the instance and recheck credentials. Those two actions often resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.